I don't feel like putting makeup on today, just lipstick. Let's do this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this room tour, and I have other videos, so go ahead and check it out. Thanks. Hi guys, so we're gonna start from the door. This is my door. This is my mirror right here. And I'm just gonna give you guys a 360 view. And that's my closet. I might do a closet tour. And this right here is my mirror. Alright, I love my outfit today. The bed I got from a local furniture store in town. I feel like everybody in this town has this bed. It's so beautiful. And the cool thing about this bed is right now it's on, but you won't know because it's daylight. Alright, you see that little button right there? You turn it, you hit it at night, and you can turn it on and off. So you don't have to get out of bed to turn on your light if you don't want to. And over here I have my dresser, and I just have a flower and some gifts from loved ones. And that gift is from my brother's wife, and it has my name on it. And another gift from her for her wedding, for me to wear. It matches my dress. I got this dresser from like a local furniture store here, and I painted it white. And over here I already did a video on these plants. I can't even talk. On these plants and how I clean them, and it's on my channel. You can check it out. And for my plants, I put pillowcases that I don't want anymore around it. Because I didn't want to throw them away. And I painted that mirror white. And I love, love, love this chair. And over here, we just have my dresser that goes with the bed. And I have all my perfumes and necklaces and jewelry and everything up here. One of my favorite smells over here that my mom just got me for Christmas. And in here I have hair stuff from Africa, belly rings and all that stuff that my aunt brought for me. And I have rings in here and samples of perfumes that I like, and more samples of perfumes. And I have all these jewelries that I don't even wear. I don't even know why. I have so many, but I don't wear it. And this is just a sneak peek of my closet. Black on this side and white on the other side. So I will do a closet tour another time. And check my channel out, and I have some more stuff on there. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.